Welcome back, thank you for joining me. Problem with tailgate on Volvo V50. So last week the latch kept opening on its own non-stop until today it completely stopped working. Nothing happens when I press the button on the tailgate. So today we're gonna fix it. It's an easy and inexpensive fix. First of all, we're gonna take 4 Torx 25 screws and I'll show you the issue. Before digging any deeper, first of all, check your switch because this is easy to test and see if it's gonna resolve the issue with your tailgate. I have already received the part. Disconnect the connector, and this is what you need. This is the internal panel with the micro switch, made in Czech Republic. The part number is visible and everything will be in the description below. This was approximately 40 Canadian dollars, so very inexpensive. This is the micro switch that most likely goes bad. And what's nice is that you're gonna get new sockets for the license plate lights because they do corrode. And as you can see, the micro switch is sealed, so definitely not worth taking the time to try and replace it. Let's see if it's gonna fix the issue before proceeding. And yes, that's the issue. So let's take it into the house and start disassembling. There is 4 Torx 20 screws that we need to remove. The button is very well sealed with a rubber piece. As we can see, it's well sealed from the elements. There is no signs of moisture penetration. All the salt and dirt are left outside. These are actually LEDs. These are original Volvo LEDs upgrade, made in China. I'm gonna show you what you need if you wanna upgrade yours. You will need 2 of those pieces. Works really well. And from experience, do not order from AliExpress anything else. It will not last. One of the contacts here has corroded already, so I'm gonna try and protect the new sockets with dielectric grease. Let's continue taking it apart. There is another weather seal on the other side from inside. Just from the inside, pry the piece out and it will click out. Let's compare the two. The car is 2006 with 86,000 kilometers. Honestly, it looks super identical. I don't see anything different in the new piece. If it's gonna last another 15 years, that's good enough. Installation in reverse. Carefully position and click it in. dielectric grease to protect the contacts inside. Before installing, decided to clean the area really well with a wet rag. And yep, what we can see is corrosion. So that panel that sits on the tailgate caused the paint to disappear. It's scratched in. The left side is fine. The right side, I will have to treat it in the summer. I'm gonna temporarily give it some protection with fluid film. I don't know if it's gonna help, but better than nothing. Summertime, I'll take it apart, I'll sand it, put some primer on it, and maybe put some clear tape to protect the tailgate. Weird issue here. And this pretty much completes the repair. Everything works as it should. Nice and bright LEDs. Really inconvenient to have the tailgate not working, so luckily the issue was resolved very quickly and inexpensive. I hope that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, don't forget the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye guys.